Yes, sorry about that. I had to put another battery in my camera. But getting back to the, I left off with the specs on it, with the 400 feet per second, 200 pound draw. And like I was saying, they said the assembly of that washer, that boat washer right there, it's supposed to be set at 70 foot-pound. So I didn't have a torque wrench, so I just hand tightened it. But they tell you every 10 shots, you always check that tightening. So what I'll do is I'll come back with another video of me shooting it. Then they come here with the rope cocking device right here. That's what I have when I come back in. I'll cock it and show you what I'll do that when I have that shooting video, when I show that. So that's basically all I have to say about this one, because like I say, it's it comes with the inspection checklist here. I already showed you that in the first video, just showing you another. You know, it comes with that little list there. It's supposed to be everything in the product here. So I'll come back with another video. Like and subscribe. Cause Hall YouTube channel. Thank you, and you have a blessed day.